The Predator is a snow and swamp-going vehicle on ultra-low pressure tires. The diameter of the installed tires is from 1600 to 1700 millimeters. The basic configuration already has a sunroof, centralized wheel inflation, axle locks and disc brakes on the wheels. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a Kubota turbo diesel engine with a volume of 3.8 liters and a power of 98 horsepower, as well as a 5-speed manual gearbox. In the basic configuration, a spring suspension is installed, but for a surcharge it is also possible to install air suspension. The all-terrain vehicle has a comfortable high interior. You can move around in full growth. Compared to the standard cabin, it is possible to install 2 additional hanging beds, 2 additional lockers for clothes or things, a large hanging shelf for bedding or things, as well as a folding table and a hanging cabinet for products. It is possible to place up to 12 seats and transform them into 7 beds. This model is designed for shift accommodation, expeditions, travel, or just a comfortable stay on hunting trips, fishing trips away from home. At the same time, the all-terrain vehicle has high cross-country ability, freely overcomes marshy swamps, water barriers, snow and rough terrain.